It has like the V for the ladies.
Oh, nice.
And then the men obviously get the button
And it's like
down.
soft, right? Oh,
no,
yeah, it's like breathable.
It's breathable. So
That's
it's
awesome.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
I got...
He's got a...
You guys got a little hat. What's your guys hat?
Oh, yeah, my sword.
It's got a sword.
An AK.
So when I was at Sheets up
Guys, I
there,
figured out how many characters
Pennsylvania, baby
Oh,
Kai's
look.
still sleeping.
Oh, it's a girl. It's a whole lot.
Scratch off food and you're doing that at
We still have one for baby Kai too, but you got all kinds of characters, huh? See, what's your guy? You have a girl, Casey.
Oh, that's like...
Oh, that's
Let me
pretty
see
cool.
it. That's a girl. Okay, so that
has a cool hat?
is...
Sorry.
How do I put a hair on? Could someone please...
No load today.
Oh my goodness, guys! I have a rare guy. He's
all-
all the way at the top.
Oh, not all is lost. We have
Can you help me
robots.
put her hair on?
I will. It's like a giant Lego
Oh,
person.
I figured out. She is right here.
All right. Let's get some sleep and see what tomorrow
Guys,
holds.
so we...
I guess they don't need their own rooms.
What?
I guess they don't need their own rooms. Wow, those are pretty cool.
6 race car. That's the number 6.
Kevin sent you those, right?
What's this car?
That is...
It opens its back a little bit too. What kind of car is that?
I don't know. Might be McLaren.
What kind of car is this?
That's a CUDA, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, Barracuda.
Do you see what this one can do?
What?
Engine open. Look at the engine.
Wow.
I'm playing Kirby.
Whoa, you playing Kirby?
Yeah.
Did he get his Roblox?
Look at this.
That one's cool too. Engine
Yeah.
in the back.
Look at the engine. Like
Yeah,
it's so
I'm
big.
playing the
Robot.
Wow.
But I'm playing the robot.
Okay.
This one's really funny.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see this one.
Oh, it's a funny car. It's called. Thanks, Kevin, for sending us those.
Look how small the engine is, though. That's so small.
See.
This
What
is
is
what
it?
he got. Look, he got this.
Whoa, he's like a bandana pirate, dude.
A bandana pirate. And also, this one's different to you because there's an
Wow.
8 on it instead of a 6.
Pretty cool.
And I'm trying to put this right in here.
You gotta fold it up.
What's this called? Yeah, but every time I fold it, it doesn't. Yeah, but every time I fold it, it doesn't work.
Let me fold it for you. Let me help you.
I want to see how to fold it.
Okay.
Also, I ripped it a little.
All over my toes. Oh, actually, that feels really
T-Dubs is doing IFTA, but they said they would change the website again. So she'll figure it out. But keep changing stuff up. Loads look pretty bad, just like they did yesterday, guys, out there in Virginia. Yes, baby. You want to go to the park? Oh, well. Yeah, let me finish looking for loads. You want to go to the park? Let me look for loads, guys. If I don't get one, we'll go to the park, okay? Down. Just don't get on top of the couch. You can stay right there. She likes to run up on top of the couch. And it's taking its toll on the couch. Can we go to the park first? I gotta look for loads, baby.
Please, you can look for loads at the park.
Okay, we'll see.
So funny.
Where did you find chips?
Babe, look what Emma did. She drew you in our photo.
Our realtor, Emma, is hilarious. These kids keep wanting to go to the park. She sent us this cool little gift basket. She's a high school friend of Katie's. Cool little, okay, there those are. Yeah, man. No, they're not charging enough and I want to push them back. Some nice champagne. Yeah, baby. Oh, the puppy wants to come?
Yeah.
Just don't lose them, okay? And then this is a nice cutting board to put at the lake house. It's cool. I like it. No loads today, guys, so we're going to do a 3BB video and put the keys to the park and replace the AC compressor on T-Dub's Escalade. Park key, you mean golf cart keys? Well, what is this? Why are they all tangled up in here?
Dada.
All right, yeah, baby.
Dada, do you want to come and see this?
She's taking this one because she's going to evacuate the Freon so that it doesn't hurt the environment.
Why is there water on the tire?
I don't know, probably from the rain that we had. So she's going to go pull the Freon. And luckily, I thought that was this last time, but it actually ended up being a condenser. Should have just done this at the same time. But I still had this because I bought it. I was like, I'll keep it for a rainy day. That rainy day has come. 3BB will have the full install. You want to go on choo-choo train? Choo-choo train is closed. It's only open on Saturday and Sunday, but the park's open, so. Like there was a load right here going to, what was it? Fletcher, right by Hendersonville. Let's go this way. North Carolina, just above Screenville, and south by Enery, which is, I've been there before, it's like a chemical plant. And they're pushing it for $400. That should be $800-900 all day. So I said $850, and they came back with $600, but picks up at 3 o'clock. It's almost 2 o'clock now. I wouldn't be able to get there I wouldn't do it for $600 anyways. So if fuel was still reasonable, yes. I know we keep saying, we got a trash can here. We're not gonna be able to make it. So we gotta move the trash can. So yeah, fuel was still good. Yeah, not. I'd spend $250-300 in fuel, and then I'd have to deadhead back, or hopefully get something more on Friday. So I'd rather do the AC compressor, get her car working right. Go outside, take these guys to the park, spend some time with them, and pray we get a Friday load tomorrow.
Are you gonna go slow?
Oh, I'll go real slow. Yeah, let's hit the park for a little bit. Oh yeah, made the park. I'm chilling on the swing. Keep looking for loads, but we'll see if sun comes up later. If nothing comes up by 3:30, 4 o'clock, then it's full on compressor day. Yeah, guys, no loads today, but 3BB, my son's channel, which is right here, you can watch AC compressor if you want. Got a little bit going on here, but this just showed up. Awesome, man. Thank you. Just set it right in front of that good old Escalade that's breaking every other month.
What happened?
Thanks. AC compressor. It was AC condenser, like fall AC compressor. The rear AC condenser went out. Like just General Motors, man. But they're nice trucks. Since that's her dream car, so I get my toys, she gets hers. I just gotta keep it working. Gotta keep it working. All right, brother. Thanks. Thanks a lot, man. All right. Yeah. So. Talked to my broker buddy a little bit today about kind of the market from C.H. Robinson, and oh, hi Tiki. Hi, baby. He's just, not that he's never seen it before, but he's like, it's another big downturn. So I guess there's a bunch of problems with the ports and the rail right now. Come on, Tiki. There you go. So that's Lucy. We're waiting for that to, I don't know if it's going to funnel in like Shanghai open back up. I don't know what it is, guys, but praying I get a load on tomorrow. We got internet going on at the lake house tomorrow. Probably be at the lake, but I'd like to have some money on the truck. There you go, dude. You jumping? Yeah. Don't drink the water, buddy. Yeah, but we decided to do a little pool time while Mom gets the, hi, baby. Mom gets the belt for the Escalade's compressor. It's a separate belt in the Serpentine. It's weird. There you go, put them on. Yeah. Let's wait till she gets home and open up these boxes. Let's see what we got from UPS. Kazgear.com, guys. CAZ-GAR. They are awesome. You can actually see their, those are nice bumper stickers. Oh man, those are bomb.
Those are cool.
So you can see on here, guys, it's right here.
Oh, look at the labels on top.
But at .com, it's Kaz-Gear.com. Check them out.
Yeah.
Okay, some more shirts.
Some shirts. They look nice.
You see those?
Look at the back looks good. I love these stickers. These are my favorite stickers.
Oh yeah, I like how they're like packaged now too. That's
I know. I need to start. I'm gonna mail a couple of these
cool.
out.
That's super
Actually,
cool. Got the new logo on there and everything.
I'm gonna open one. You want to open one?
Yeah, see the new back designs.
So nicely packaged. Oh, that's cool.
Yes. Check that out, guys.
And it's like really nicely put on there.
Yes, awesome.
Oh, let's check out what's in the other one.
All right. Heck yeah.
Oh yes.
These are all available. Just trucking.shop, guys. I love that one. That's
Like,
my favorite. This might be my new favorite.
Couldn't
But
have sent this in.
yeah, summertime.
I love these coolers. I take this
Hold
to
a
the
six
pool.
pack of soda. Or,
Yeah, I literally I pack the top with snacks and then the bottom with drinks.
Oh,
And
yeah.
the kids love it.
What else you got? Oh, whoa. I want to see that white one.
Happy about the hat.
I want to see that white one. That one's so cool. That was his own idea. Oh, they got a new kind of work shirt. Sport Tech. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's I think that's just like
And you got the bigger bag. Oh, that's a different bag.
I gave that one to my dad last time. Remember?
Nice.
My dad loves that thing.
Got the new logo. Oh, man, I love it.
You can get that for your truck.
Oh, this is perfect, too.
Babe, this is the cooler we use.
That's the one we use in the boat. So I'm glad we have two now. Because we used to use it for the boat and for the pool.
But now we just have one.
Oh, and this one's cool. Work bowl. Like a work. Oh,
That's
yes.
cool. You put your
For some
tools in that.
tools. Thank you, Brian.
I'm gonna open the. Oh, I'm just gonna throw out there. Mine doesn't have the buttons. It has the V cut.
Oh, let's check it out.
Check this out. It has like the V for the ladies,
Oh, nice.
and then the men obviously get the.
And it's
button
like
down.
soft, right? Oh, yeah, it's like
No,
breathable.
It's breathable, so
That's
it's
awesome.
Yeah.
And then show me those hats. I'm excited about that white one. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. It's a snapback, right?
Oh no.
Oh, it's a flex.
flex.
What?
Oh babe, it's the flex.
Yes,
You got
those
the
are
flex
awesome.
fit, babe. This
Heck
is the snapback, and this is the only snapback I think.
Sweet. It's like Christmas in July. Yeah, the camos are back. You got your,
Camos are back.
I needed some hats too.
He did.
Mine were getting a little
They
old.
get so dirty because he wears them
We're
all the
working in
time.
them. Those white ones are going to be like going to concerts or something, not
Yeah, this is what is.
not trucking. And let's check out that blanket. And then they have
I
the
am
men's shirts
so-
too, guys.
I am so.
And they're all,
excited
you can
about
custom
this
embroider them
blanket.
with your name or whatever you want. Check out justtrucking.shop. At least we had,
Someone stole our other one.
they were cold. We said go ahead and take it
Yes.
home, and then they never brought it back.
Okay, though.
But that new embroidery is pretty cool.
This is gonna go to the lake house.
All right, Brian. Guys, check out justtrucking.shop. Kaz gear. Oh, T-Dub's in love.
You have no idea. I'm like a blanket person.
And the boys are still swimming.
Yeah, we've been watching them.
But we got to, I got to get T-Dub's Escalator redone. And God bless you guys. We're going to cut the video for today. Hopefully get a load tomorrow. And just pray for the industry all together. Pray for America. And if you can need a new shirt, need something to wear around, you like Kenworth,
Shop.
go for it. Just trucking that shop. God bless you. And we will.
See you on the next one.
See you next one. God
Bye.
bless you.